We go to other news now. Residents and business operators in Nain in southeastern St. Elizabeth are welcoming news that the Alpart refinery could reopen by next June. Now, persons say after many failed plans to reopen the facility, they hope this time the timeline is met.
Many business places in Nain, St. Elizabeth have one thing in common. Their doors are closed almost every day. Commercial activity is at a standstill, and it is all linked to inactivity at the Alpart refinery. Bauxite processing ended in 2019, and hundreds of people have stopped earning directly and indirectly as a result.
From Alpart lockdown, Nain is like ghost town. 6 o'clock, nobody's on the road, no money to spend. Everybody just gone in because no dollars not circulate. It's like ghost town. Not now going for nobody down here again.
Enough people that carry our work, they can agree sober. So now I'm other people carry. And the shopkeeper, them and the supermarket and the bartender them get a fall back.
Since the plant lockdown, most business place lockdown. So we would have glad if it home for real.
There is now fresh hope among stakeholders that life will return to the plant. The mining minister, Floyd Green, says the owners, Gisco, will spend millions of US dollars in the next 2 years to upgrade the plant. Some of that work is expected to get the facility ready to reopen in 11 months.
We're elated with that announcement. With this coming on stream, it brings a lot of opportunity for the people of St. Elizabeth and neighboring parish. You know the impact it has economically for the country, and it's a big deal. So we are anticipating, we're looking forward, and as a municipal corporation, we are giving our support to facilitate this partnership.
But some people are still cautiously optimistic. They have seen many false starts over the last 8 years.
But we don't know if I joke or fool me. We don't know. But we feel good because this place get dumb, man. Dumb, you know? Lord God. Go on, mind if you open Rasta. Lift up back Nain.
The mining minister is convinced this time things will materialize following commitments from key stakeholders during discussions he led in China weeks ago. Prince Moore, TVJ News.